My name's Steve Kromer. I'm an energy engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer. I graduated from Virginia Tech. I've been associated with Association of Energy Engineers since my job at Lawrence Berkeley Laboratory, where we began a local chapter, and I was working on some projects for energy efficiency within the site. One job that came up was developing an M&V protocol for our projects on site, and ever since then I've been teaching the M&V class. The CMVP class talks about the general topic of measurement verification. And the way I look at it now after 30 years in the business is that measurement verification is the accounting system. It's kind of the glue that allows all the energy management activities that are going on at AEE to get credit. So everywhere you go, you hear people saying, I saved this much energy. And the question is, how do you verify that? How do you build trust in the quality of the work that's coming out of everything that happens in energy management? When we started, it was started more locally on performance contracting. That was how these things developed. It developed into more utility programs, and now we're in this huge world where it's carbon accounting, sustainability accounting, energy efficiency, all kinds of things. So the M&V world is much bigger than it was 30 years ago. You know, anyone who works in energy efficiency could benefit from this class. If you want to know how to make your project valuable, how to build trust at the final analysis that your project worked, I think anyone with a good technical background could benefit from this class. It's meant to be general, it's meant to be global. For that reason, it tends to be a little shallow on the details, by which I mean it covers a broad range of topics at a certain level. That's what I love about having the M&V program within AEE. Because if there's other things we touch on, you can go to other places in AEE to get a deeper dive. Power quality, chillers, fans, pumps, motors, all that. We cover it all, and we show how it all fits together. The real world challenge of energy management is twofold. There's a ton of great ideas in energy management you see down at the expo, you hear about all the time. My program works, my project works, my technology works. That's great. And if you're just buying technology and installing it and forgetting it, maybe that's good enough. You still want to verify though. That's the V in verification. Is it working and performing properly? The M part, the measurement, goes over to the quote unquote savings part. And that's where, how much did I save? And if I want to get a bank loan and pay it back, or if I want to get credit under a certificate program, we can come up with a quantity and stamp how much you got. So anyone who actually wants to prove the success of their energy management activities, M&V is important to them. So I actually do get really excited. What excites me most is when I see students that come in with a pretty good background, but a lot of questions. And every time something lights up in their eyes, they go, oh, I get it now. And the fundamental truth about M&V is it's this really simple concept that most people don't know, but once they see it, they go, oh, that makes a whole lot more sense. So when I see the eyes opening up and I see people going, now I get it, that's what every teacher's dream is, to put material out there that they get excited about. Professional M&V person needs to talk to a wide range of people, not just engineers. They need to talk to financial folks and decision makers like CEOs and procurement agents. And they need to be able to convey what M&V is to a wide range of people. That's the skill that we're really trying to develop. Then you can go and backfill all the technical stuff later, not to diminish technical skills, but the CMVP professional, CMVP, understands how to communicate what's necessary to get successful projects paid for in the end. To get to the next level for a lot of people means being able to be the person that can verify that the project worked. And along the way, when you install a project and do it, there's many opportunities for disputes. So if you can get a project from inception, creation, throughout its implementation, then you get the final payment, specifically performance contracts, utility programs, credits. If you're the one that can help manage all the way through, you're talking to all these decision makers, and you're much more important than just, again, technical issues are great, and being a good technician's good, but a professional has many more roles in the overall conduct of a program or a project. So you're going to get paid more to be a professional. Professionals get paid more. If you're considering a CMVP, what I want you to know is you'll be coming in and meeting with, among other people, who are all facing the same challenge. And what you get in a personal level in a class with CMVP is the ability to speak with other humans and understand that in many, many cases we have the same goals and we have the same techniques, but we're using different language. So I would say if you want to come and actually enhance your ability to communicate with other people in a class where everyone's trying to do the same thing, that's what you're going to get out of coming to CMVP class. So I see people come in with a lot of questions and go out with a lot more excitement. We ignite a fire to learn more and to do more and to be able to actually, again, verify the results of their good hard work, get credit for it. The AEE program is now, I think, going into almost its 50th year. I forget. And they've sort of dialed in all the dials on how to run a certification. So in terms of, it's a seamless process to be applying, getting in, we have exam, we have the whole process down. So yeah, and we're constantly modifying it. So again, I see in the future much more integration of M&V with these other CEA, CEM, there's things like that. But you're in a community of people where you can speak all the same language. That's the main thing.